Today, we will discuss NoCodB and Baserow. Both seek to provide database administration that is similar to spreadsheets by imitating Airtable's user-friendliness and visual interface. This enables a wide variety of users to access them. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. NoCodB can work with your current data by connecting to a variety of SQL databases such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, and etc. Even though it doesn't require any coding, consumers with some technical knowledge might find it more appealing, particularly if they wish to connect to databases that already exist. Baserow with PostgreSQL as its primary backend, Baserow strives to be a turnkey solution, which means it creates the database for you. In order to be very accessible to non-technical users, Baserow tends to concentrate on a more user-friendly, out-of-the-box experience. Baserow's real-time collaboration features are well known. All in all, Baserow and NoCodB are both open source initiatives. This implies the users are free to share, alter, and self-host the program. This resemblance is significant because both platforms are made to be seen in web browsers. They are compatible with a wide range of hardware and operating systems.